All right, people. So this is going to be the start of a character design. I can't speak. Using multimedia. So we're going to be using more than one material in the creation of our artwork. This is what I like to do. You can add others. It's up to you. I did a preliminary sketch, and then I transferred it over using the window or light box to a final, and this is what I'm gonna have next. I'm gonna start watercoloring it in layers, and then color pencil. So always enjoy. Show you step by step. I did speed it up. 84 minutes what I spent on it, creating it. I got into it, so it's probably going to go a little bit faster than normal. Enjoy. All right, this is kind of done in real time here. You can see like a camera. So I have my GoPro on my head and showing you how to make a light box out of a window. And here I'm doing it again, blah, blah, blah. You notice I had the tape up there because I was trying to see where I could see it still on the camera, at what angle. So I'm going to take the tape off and reuse it. So you're going to use masking tape, of course, as always. And you want a straight on shot. You want to look at it straight on. You don't want it up too far down, so forth. So here's my prelim right here. Now the reason why we do the light is because the light will show through, and then we can get kind of a copy of it right there. You got to press the pieces of paper together to get the copy, and you can place that anywhere you want on the paper. You can move the paper around to get it more centered if you like, because if it wasn't originally centered, and it's to get an idea. You can see here I'm taping the sides so it can be more secure to the window. And basically you're tracing over the drawing that you did before. You don't want to go heavy, you want to go light, because you're going to be adding to the final, and you don't want a lot of heavy pencil lines in there unless you don't want them. So this is just to get the transparency down onto the paper to work on, to get the scaffolding, to copy the image. This isn't like perfect stuff because you can't see kind of what I'm doing at the bottom, but I'm going over the image as best I can with this camera on my head. And just going over the main points and the main parts of the drawing. There we go. With my head down a little bit, getting the nose. So you don't want to draw everything. You want placement, because you can look at your sketch when you do the final and get everything put in there. You want a roadmap of where you want to go with it from your sketch. You do not want exactness. We want exact placement, but we don't want exactness of texture, color, all that jazz. We're just outlining it to work on it in a different space. So I will just let you enjoy the rest of the video if you like. This should be a good enough breakdown for you. Masking tape, window. If you have a light box, you can do the same taping method to the light box. And this is how a lot of artists copy without using a opaque projector and to their final product. You can only do 1-to-1. If you wanted to blow it up and make it bigger, then that would take a grid method or some other kind of method. So enjoy.